All right, guys, the Amazon floodgates have opened. I reviewed one Amazon thing and now more stuff is showing up at my door. So we're here to try it out and we're being paid by nobody. So these are gonna be honest reviews and I have my beautiful, lovely maternity motorcycle riding stunt body.
Stunt double?
Stunt double. So we have 3 items here. We have something I would personally never buy.
I would.
We have a motorcycle themed Bluetooth speaker. We have a phone mount, a Joyroom JRZS361 metal shockproof motorcycle phone mount. And then we've got this, which is what I'm most excited about. This is the Lexin Smart Pump P5. This is a portable air pump. This would have come in handy many times in my life.
Yeah.
Especially if you're going on a long road trip or something, like if you have to plug a tire, you just have this on you. It fills up everything too. It's got a little diagram. Cars, bicycles, basketballs, and motorcycles.
In case you're on a road trip with your basketball. That looks like it's
This looks legit.
pretty cool.
Let's start with the thing you're most excited about. You know what? I was impressed. I was really impressed. I thought I was just gonna throw this away immediately, and by throw it away, I mean give it to
Ruby.
Give it to Ruby. But I used it, and it's loud.
It is loud. The sound is whatever. I feel like it's a good.
It's a Bluetooth speaker.
Well, yeah, but I mean, like, if you wanted to listen to music, that's not it. But
also, you can link them.
oh yeah, that's
How many?
Get yourself 10 of these.
Get yourself. I thought of this too. You could have one on each side of your bedpost, and then you'd have surround sound for your TV. I
think it's a cute little thing.
I think it's cute. I think this would be a good gift. Like
Yeah.
if I got this as a gift, I'd be like, oh, okay, sick. I'll put it in my garage.
Which you did.
Which I did get as a gift for the Moment H2 review.
It's got controls on the top.
It's got controls on the top. You know what I love? I've got issues. I'm not going to talk about it, but I've got serious issues with Bluetooth connectivity.
Mm-hmm.
Like we have a really expensive Marshall speaker and it's like just such a pain in the fucking ass to connect with it. But this is like, boop, done.
Yeah, that's true.
This feels like I'm in the year 2023, but I have one qualm.
That's
100%. Pairing successful.
The sound of that engine, its rider has never worn a helmet in its life. So
you can tell that that's a sick hog.
you just know it's a sick hog in the bottom of your heart.
Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I don't know how much they are, but
I'll put the price on the screen because I also have no idea how much they're.
it's a neat little thing.
Oh, they come in different colors. They come
now
in.
she's in.
Oh, the girl likes the colors. I don't care. I like black, but they come in gray and then some sort of
Lighter gray.
lighter gray, light blue, and a dark blue.
Yeah.
Hear the difference. Hashtag hear the difference.
Yeah.
What would you rate it?
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Buy or not buy?
For a gift?
For gift.
Yeah, cool. It's a cool little thing. A stocking stuffer.
A stocking stuffer. Also, real quick, it's been at 100% battery, I think, for the last 6 times I've used it. Because I've got a toddler, so it's like, here, listen to your Alvin and the Chipmunks somewhere else. And I put this on in her room and she's suddenly extremely happy. So if you've got a kid, I think like this is also a great way. It's a gateway to motorcycle drugs.
All right, let's go to the
All right, next one. That was more of the time.
You're gonna have to chop that up.
Okay, you and I had very different opinions about this. The first thing I was like, this is heavy. It's 680 grams. How heavy that is. All right, whose handlebar is that thin? That's what I want to know. Nobody's. This is like, here, let me get this out of the way. Yo.
It's beefy.
Yo. I should probably splice in a picture of the RAM mount I've been using for 7 years.
This is weathered and missing stuff.
I'm worried about how heavy this is. Not on a naked bike, not on a cruiser, not on a touring bike.
You think it would alter the handling?
I would. I do. That feels heavy enough to kind of be a pain in the ass to turn with on a sport bike. I don't think you'd really notice it.
We'll see.
I'm gonna send you out on this beautiful rainy day And you can do your best impersonations of me.
Wow, okay.
Ooh!
This is legit.
That shit's on ram mount. Ram mount can kind of eat a butt a little bit because I've had all of those, Jesus Christ, change your brakes. And I'm not a quad lock user because I rent out my bikes. We swap bikes all the time. We have different phone cases and I don't like the phone case. So I don't want to have a specific accessory to use.
Dude, you know
with another accessory.
You know what's the biggest pain in the ass for the RAM mount is, remember, you put your phone on it and it would just either turn the screen off or turn the volume all the way up because of where the...
you know, and we got that so long ago. RAM mount may have changed their design by now, but I don't know. But I do feel bad every time one of my renters, well, I don't rent bikes anymore, but every time they wanted a phone mount, I was like, ooh, here you go. So,
dude, did you see this has like a tool?
it comes with a tool. It has
Two of them.
It has an anti-theft device, which is cool because I've had them stolen. Yeah. It's an anti-theft nut. Don't let your anti-theft nut on your phone.
Nice.
Stupid.
No, this would be a pain in the ass if you lost it, but it comes with two and a keychain holder. So, but you can't just undo this by hand.
I wonder if it has vibration because you're about to go on a Husqvarna. So I wonder if it seems like it wouldn't be a victim to vibration.
We'll see.
We'll see. We'll find out.
It's in there. Like I can't yank it out of there. The side piece locks. So there's a button on the back.
Oh, there's a button on the back.
So it's like that'll.
This is
that.
like $30.
Yeah. This so far, and it just like. It seems like it's quality.
It does seem like it's quality. Here's what I do know.
Oh yeah, look. It has that shock absorber aspect because of all those. This is gonna be good.
These Amazon products are coming for you.
Yeah.
Hate to say it, but you want to charge me $100 for a RAM out? Go bust an anti-theft nut. All right.
Nice.
Thanks.
I'm excited for that.
All right, let's look. This is the first unveiling.
You gonna make a ball joke there?
No, I'm all out of ball jokes. All right, you got a charger. Ooh, you get a little basketball adapter. Bag. Oh God, it's a bag. Hose. This is heavy. Ooh, but it's nice. This is nice. I like that. You wanna hold it?
Yeah, I do.
You wanna touch it?
That does feel nice.
Can you turn it
like
on?
a breathalyzer.
It's actually just a giant breathalyzer. Do I have to charge it? Yes.
Nope.
Sick.
100% battery.
Damn, look at that.
Sick LED screen.
So look.
Battery indicator.
It's got.
You're gonna take some B-roll, right?
Yeah, that would be roll. So look, you got your modes.
Just breathe into this. So you can set, this is tight because you can set the PSI that it inflates to.
Which for a smart peeling should be 40.
69.
Press the valve. Ah!
Works.
Wow, okay, so they have PSI bar and KPAs. What the fuck is KPA? In kilograms per centimeter squared. Let's stick with the dumb American set. Simple.
Oh, the kilopascal.
Okay.
Duh.
Yeah, I know who he is. As long as it doesn't look flat is usually how I gauge is, it doesn't look flat, it looks great.
Yeah.
All right, let's go test out the tire inflator and get my stunt double out on a motorcycle and see if he feels like this Joyroom JRZS361 alters the handling in any way. All right guys, first things first, you gotta take off your valve stem cover. Important to do that. Shout out coaxial. Turn back on. I thought this was gonna be a pain, but it's not. It's actually pretty easy to get to it. I didn't even read the instructions. I just guessed, and let's say you're on the side of the road panicking. It's easy. It's ergonomic. It's telepathic. My bike is dirty. Oh God, oh God. This is right out of the box too, ladies and gentlemen, so I don't know if it's different on not on a factory charge. Nice. Okay, well, even on an orange charge, it went up like, what, 7 PSI?
Yeah. I'm sure when it's fully charged, you can get a couple good uses of it.
Now if it was flat, though.
Yeah, I don't know.
If you were flat on the side of the road. But I don't know how many people are carrying plugs. I mean, I would carry a plug if I was on a long trip. All right, that was easy. Easy, fast, fun. Let's throw Lucas on the Svart and see what he thinks about the phone mount. Lucas, did you have to switch the handlebar?
Yeah, I don't really understand what this what this one is intended for.
Yeah, show it to the camera really quick because it's super funny.
Yeah, I mean,
it's like super narrow.
Yeah, this almost doesn't make sense. I guess maybe...
It's a fucking dog in the way. Look at that.
I don't know if you could put that... That wouldn't make sense to put on a mirror, right? Because that's the only width. Like, that would be insane.
No, I wouldn't put... No.
I can get it to thread.
It has handlebar size recommendations on the box, but I'm not exactly sure how big the Svart peeling was off the top of my head.
Yeah, this part is like tape. There we go.
Oh, he got it.
Tight, definitely tight squeeze.
Oh, dude, real quick. I'm going to leave this in the video. I was reading this morning that the son of the Buc-ee's founder, Mitch or something.
Mitch Buc-ee?
Mitch Buc-ee has 28 felony charges because people who were staying in his house on Lake Travis found a spy camera in the bathroom, and then the investigators dug more and they found spy cameras in like all of their properties, in the bathrooms and shit, and they have found people pooping and peeing and changing and
what a fucking freak,
having sex. You know what's really scary though?
Nuck if you buck.
Nuck if you buck. I looked up what outlet spy cameras look like. You can't tell. So I've always made that joke in Airbnb that like, I guarantee you somebody's watching me wipe my ass. And at that point I'm like, fuck it.
Yeah. If that's what you're into, then like, sure.
You know what I would prefer though? A discount.
Right.
Okay, go change your flip-flops.
All right, let's see what this thing's made of. Just gonna blast around the neighborhood here. The bar is kind of low for phone holders. I feel like as long as it doesn't shoot your phone off, it's got to be somewhat decent. The anti-theft component, I think, is a draw as well. Jesus Christ. Oh man, this mirror's just gonna fly off. But just from unboxing it and feeling it and installing it, I mean, it's like, it's quality. It feels well made, especially compared to the RAM mount. Ooh. It handled that bump pretty good.
What do you think?
Sick. Yeah, I mean, it's really well made. Doesn't move.
So do you think if you were in a more aggressive sport bike stance, do you think it would be a bummer? Do you think it would alter the handling at all?
No.
Really?
Not at all. I forgot that was one of the main things. You can't tell a difference.
That's the only reason I sent you out.
Yeah, okay. Well, in that case, no, 100% not. If you had it dangling off the side, which wouldn't make any sense.
Yeah, you wouldn't have it there anyways. I've also never owned a sport bike, so what would you rate it?
10 out of 10 for sure.
Whoa.
Yeah. I mean, I was saying the bar is low for phone holders. Like, yeah, it's like, even with the quad lock, the dude that picked up the mirrors from the Svart peeling, he had his phone on a quad lock and it shot off and broke. So there's that. There's RAM mount, and then the other cheapo Amazon one that we had. And the fact that you can't just unscrew this, like you need that tool, is awesome. It just feels like it's well made.
All right, sick. Thanks, Stunt Double, and shout out Joyroom and Lexin for giving us some goodies that we could mess around with. Bye.